I'm going to read you a text called Dogs Can Be Good Pets. While you are listening to this text, pay close attention to the reasons an author gives to support her claim that dogs can be good pets. Let's get started. Dogs can be good pets. Dogs are loyal, smart, and affectionate. Dogs make good friends. They enjoy playing and going for walks. Dogs help teach kids responsibility by having to feed them every day. Dogs are good listeners. Kids can practice their reading skills by reading aloud to dogs. These are some reasons why dogs are good pets. Can you name at least 2 reasons dogs can be good pets? Think about what the text said. Then I want you to make a video holding up your dog puppet and telling your teacher the 2 reasons dogs make a good pet. If you don't remember, you can rewind and watch the story again and pay close attention to 2 reasons the author gives. I can't wait to watch your video.